If you're like me, you're watching this video because you've uploaded some GoPro footage that you've shot onto YouTube and you're not happy with the technical quality of it. My first career was in film and television, and so as a professional cameraman I decided that I wanted to go and do a bit of research and actually find out how to get the best quality GoPro footage of motorcycling up onto YouTube. And the good news is I think I found it. I'm about to start a 5-part series where I'm going to share pretty much every aspect of it, step by step. But for now, I'm just going to finish this video up with a 1-minute clip. I'll just show you kind of where I'm at with my YouTube quality of motorcycling. So as you watch this, listen to the audio, just look at the angles, look at the pictures, and see whether or not you think it creates a great immersive experience. And if it does, then I think you'll agree that I'm there with the settings. Enjoy.